Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. But first of all, Happy New Year guys. May we always be happy, be in good health and prosper, and enjoy all of God's blessings this new year. Amen. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. I make healthy juices and delicious recipes. I upload videos every week, so please hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. And to all my loyal subscribers, I thank you guys for always supporting me, liking my videos, sharing my videos, and also commenting on my videos. You guys are very much appreciated. So for my first video of the year, we're going to be making a super healthy and nutritious juice that may aid in digestion and may put you on the right track to achieving a healthy skin glow this new year. We are making papaya juice in all its glory. This video is unique because it's officially the first video in my new series called From Seed to My Table. I got into gardening a few years ago and I love it. Actually, I've got a little farm in my house. I've grown quite a few number of crops and plants. So in this series, I'll be uploading at least one video every month throughout the year. You'll get to see some behind the scenes footage of me either planting, tending to, and or harvesting crops and fruits and literally taking it to my table. I've got some amazing content for you guys this year, so please stay glued to this channel. I also want to encourage you guys, if you can, to grow your own food. It's fun. So obviously we're going to be harvesting some papaya today. This particular papaya tree was not deliberately planted because the soil is so fertile. I guess when seeds were dispersed, it started growing. It was, however, transplanted to this particular location on the farm. It has bore lots of fruit, and so we're going to be harvesting today. Woohoo! Oh. No. Ooh. In total, I harvested 10 big papayas. Within a few days, they're going to get ripe and we're going to enjoy them. So after a few days now, our papaya is ripe. This is the first papaya I harvested. You can see how nice it's looking. This papaya has an interesting color. It's not the usual orange or red. It's actually a cross between the two colors, so reddish orange, which is quite unique. So I'm just going to prep the papaya for juicing. I am going to deskin, de-seed, and also chop it up. Papayas are such a delicious tropical fruit that contain a lot of antioxidants and vitamins. They also help to moisturize and nourish the skin and also slow the aging process, thereby keeping the skin looking more toned and youthful. To spice things up, I'm also going to be adding 1 root of ginger and 1 root of turmeric to my juice. So today I'm going to be using my juicer just because. You can go ahead if you like to use your blender, no problems. That might actually be easier. So I'm just going to go ahead and juice. I'm going to put in my papaya and ginger, turmeric one by one. So what I got was just a thick puree of papaya. It was quite thick, so I added some water. Then I add the juice of 1 lime, to give it that tang. I'm also going to add some black pepper, which helps with the absorption of the turmeric. Then I'm going to add some honey, but this is optional because the papayas are sweet on their own. I'm going to mix thoroughly. And voila guys, we have a delicious and fantastic papaya juice. So beneficial for your health and great for your skin. Completely organic, compliments of my farm, and no preservatives. Absolutely wonderful. And it tasted so good. So my friends, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Also write a nice comment. What do you think about this type of content? Do you like this type of content? I would really like to know. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!